Okay, boys. One of my first times of doing these things. Okay, so obviously we're moving on to 3D shapes now. Now, last unit we looked at 2D shapes. They're called polygons. We're moving on to polyhedra. Okay, so the polyhedra, poly meaning many, hedra meaning faces. So obviously 3D faces have many faces. Now we're moving on to something called Euler's formula. Okay, it does look like Euler, but it is actually pronounced Euler's formula. Okay, and now this formula is V plus F minus E equals 2. Now that will always, no matter what shape you apply this formula to, it will always equal 2. Okay, this is an indication that you know you have the correct properties and you know you have the correct amount of sides, edges, faces, vertices, all that stuff. Okay, so basically we're going to run through this first and we're going to apply it to here. Alright, now boys, obviously we've got V for vertices. Vertices, your points. Okay, now faces, obviously F, how many faces these shapes have, and then you've got edges, how many edges they have. So basically, this is the rule. We're substituting the information we get from here to that rule, and hopefully that will equal 2. Okay? Has to be in this order too. V plus F minus E equals 2. Okay, you can't swap any around. Now boys, obviously we'll go over here. This one's a cube, obviously. Cube, we're obviously looking at the different properties. So first of all, I write the rule down. So V plus F minus E equals 2. That's my info line. Let's put the information in. How many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 plus how many faces does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, minus how many edges does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 equals 8 plus 6 minus 12. So 8 plus 6 obviously is 14. Minus 12, 14 minus 12 is 2. We know we've got the right amount of vertices, faces, and edges. Okay? Now, this is obviously a different 3D shape, alright? We will apply this same formula to this shape. Okay? This one we call a tetrahedron. Okay? Now, let's go writing our rule first. V plus E equals 2. Okay? Vertices, how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 here. Plus faces, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 minus edges. Let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, sorry, I wrote the E down there. Put this down. I do apologise. We've got edges 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Minus equals 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 6 equals 2. I know I've got the right amount of vertices, faces, and edges because I know this will always equal 2. Okay, boys? That's all this formula. Very important to know that we've got the right properties for the right polyhedron.